Here's a new flight cage. Now it equals up the height with that one. Now my quake is in that one. So all the new stuff in here too. Like that. The swing. That popsicle thing. I got to use all the new stuff. That's new, and I'm converting them to water bottles. And then on this is the girls' cage. They got pretty much the same setup. Piper's on the perch over there, that's new. That toy right there will probably be gone by tomorrow. And Piper's cage says Piper inside, made out of wood. You see the difference in sizes from the old cage to the new cage. It's not white, but it's platinum. It's gonna have to do. Here's my wall of cages. Oh, I moved the cage that was here. I moved it over there. And they're still there. Cotton's still there. And they're still there. That's about it. Comment, rate, subscribe.